Dear students, today you shall know about the theme of the first novel in your syllabus, novel To Sir with Love. Children, this is an autobiographical novel written by E.R. Braithwaite. It was published in 1959 after the end of Second World War. This novel deals with the author's experience as a teacher at Greenslade Secondary School in the East End of London. This author was one of the first dark-colored teacher in the British school system. He described his first year as a teacher in the school in this novel, To Sir with Love. First, we must know about the novelist now. Children, E.R. Braithwaite. He was born in 1912 in British Guyana. He is a well-known writer, teacher, and academic, a lecturer of UNESCO, a permanent representative to the United Nations for Guyana, and Guyana's ambassador to Venezuela. E.R. Braithwaite is the protagonist or the main character in this novel. Children, he considered himself British and served in the Royal Air Force during Second World War. But the English did not consider him to be one of them. He was unable to find employment or job in his desired field after the war ended because of his dark-colored complexion or dark-colored skin. Yes, children, he was black in color. He was deeply disappointed and resented the treatment from the British people. He thought, yes, it is wonderful to be British until one comes to Britain. As a last resort, a stranger convinced him to apply for the post of a teacher. Children, he was accepted at the Greenslade School in London's East End. He was appointed to teach the senior class in the school. Children, you will be surprised the problem of racism was very much present in color prejudiced London that time. London was not a multicolored place that time like present time. Greenslade School was located in London's East End. East End was a poor, overcrowded place. It was heavily bombed during both World War I and World War II, which caused deaths, many deaths, collapses, damages, and these damages remained for decades, for years. Immigration process took place there. And due to this process, individuals began to become permanent citizen of another country in this place. Students were white European immigrants in the school. They were from unemployed, poor families. Students were malnourished, habitually filthy, and demonstrated poor personal hygiene. Yes, they had poor personal hygiene. Braithwaite, the new teacher in the school, was appointed to teach the senior class. He tried to establish good relation with the students and healthy teaching learning process, but he found extreme difficulty in coping with the students. The students lacked basic academic skills and disrupted classroom discipline. They were rude, insolent, turbulent, battered, defiant, full of teen angst, and had no self-respect. These white students thought this new black teacher was unfamiliar with the social environment in which they were grown up. The students began to harass the teacher in the classroom. They became indisciplined in the classroom. They slammed the desk while lecturing. They used foul languages and created heated, stormy, tempestuous, turbulent, violent, gusty, unstable, tense atmosphere in this new teacher's class. The teacher was disappointed. He was in sadness. He was in despair, and due to despair, he was becoming gloomy day by day. He realized that his outburst would not gain him any honor or respect. Yes, he must not take resort to outburst. The author changed his way of tackling the students. He became more tolerant and learned to forgive their wrongs. The teacher decided to interact with the students respectfully, with love. Every girl was addressed Miss with honor. Students were supposed to call this teacher Sir. He built up safe community with students amidst the black and white prejudices in the society. At first, the students found it very ridiculous, but slowly they came around and earned some faith in this new black teacher. The students began to develop their personal hygiene and their attitudes towards one another. The arrogant students surprised the teacher with their maturity, empathy, and knowledge gradually. This new teacher understood the students' need. This is, their need was something more than the course books, the prescribed course books. To enhance their cultural exposure, he took them to field trip, museum, theaters, to which many had never been before. And a white lady teacher began to accompany them during these trips. He considered himself as team player. He received advice, ideas, support from his fellow teachers in the school that he needed to be successful as their teacher. He focused on the students' overall success. His enthusiasm in new method of teaching, being more interactive with the students, and his admiration for his students created a supportive and positive school community. This created a safe and comfortable school environment too. Students learned to express themselves as per the advice of the headmaster in the school, and students were encouraged to discuss about their progress in weekly reports and participate in school-wide student council reports. They got chances to open their voices freely related to school progress. Educational methodology became new and learner-centered. Mr. Braithwaite handled the challenges with a direct approach. He recognized the students' need more than just education from the books. The teacher focused on their all-round development. All the teachers along with the headmaster gave this new teacher full support. Children, there was end of all the skin color prejudices of black and white in the minds of the learners. The students became modest, gentle, they became sober and well disciplined. Students were full of respect and high admiration for their new teacher. This novel ends with Braithwaite being given a living present and card addressed to Sir with love, and this present was given by his students. Dear students, this novel presents a universal theme because we all face obstacles in our lives. We have to overcome these obstacles. In order to overcome our problems, originality or individuality must be with us. And this originality takes a major role in our life, that is the ability to think independently and creatively. We must face the challenges in our life with our originality, with our creativity. Please, children, go through the text. I hope you will like it. So, this is the end of the novel analysis today, and very soon I shall come with my new video. Wish you all the best. Happy belated Teachers' Day. Bye. See you.